Hi there guys, this is Marin from Nokiamob and I welcome you again to One Stop Unboxing. So I got here Nokia G50 that Nokia Mobile announced, and this phone is bringing a little bit better specs to the G series of Nokia smartphones. So let's see what's it all about. So we have here a blue version or ocean blue version of the phone, and here are the basic specs, which tells you why you should love it, trust it and keep it after all. So this is Nokia G50 that is coming with Android 11, and it supports 5G thanks to the Snapdragon 480 5G, which Nokia Mobile already used in XR20 and in X20 phones. There is the triple camera setup with 48 megapixel main camera, also 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel camera, which is actually a depth sensor. There is the 8 megapixel front camera or selfie cam that now supports video stabilization, which should probably create nice night selfies. There is a side fingerprint sensor. Also you get a classic 6.H2 HD Plus LCD display, and you should be able to charge it just every second day thanks to the 5000 mAh battery. But there is also now 18 watt fast charging. The Nokia G20 had 10 watt if I'm not mistaken. You will get 2 years of major Android upgrades, and that's it. This phone comes with the screen protector already pre-applied, and of course you can maybe search for some audio accessories or some other accessories for this phone. Okay, so I will need my trusty knife to cut open this box, and let's see. The box is the same shape as all the G series had. Oh, it looks nice. The phone has the same effect or similar effect like Nokia 8.3 5G here, and it reminds a little bit of it. It's much lighter though. So you get the SIM door key there. You also have some instructions on many different languages. Those trees that you planted buying the Nokia phones are probably going here. The box is also bringing a cable, charging cable, which is USB-C, USB-A charging cable, and there is a 10 watt charging brick. It is a brick. Let's see. We can see it's a 10 watt. Yep. And that's pretty much it. Let's check the phone. So the Google Assistant is advertised. Here you have a dedicated button. And let's see. Okay, there is the drop selfie cam there. You have the screen protector pre-applied already. You can take it off, but probably will keep it. I like the effect at the back. This is a matte finish. I don't know if it's a glass or polycarbonate plastic. There is the main camera, 5 megapixel probably ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and there is the LED flash. Nokia logo printed there. Some basic information about this phone. So this is TA1361. So you get the speaker grill there, USB-C port, microphone, hole. At the top of the device you get 3.5mm audio jack, another microphone hole. So here you have pretty clicky volume buttons, and there is the power button slash fingerprint reader. Of course there is a little bit of bezel there, a chin where Nokia logo is printed. Okay, I turn the device on. So it's running Android 1. It's always nice to hear this. Okay, let's do it English. And there you go. So this phone should cost around £200 if I'm correct. Let me just check that. Yes, it should be available in a 464GB version. Let's see if there are some apps pre-installed. So you get Netflix there, and I'm not sure, probably you will be getting Spotify and maybe also ExpressVPN. But so far I can't find anything. The phone is pretty much the same size, maybe a little bit bigger than 803, but it's super light, lighter, a bit thinner of course than XR20, which is normal because this is a mid-range phone, not the toughest one. And that's it. So hope you like this video, hope you like this phone. If you have any questions, just go to Nokiamob and leave the questions below the article. Thank you and bye bye.